Okay, so let's encrypt files with EFS. So you share a computer with other users at work. That is common in the workplace. And you want to secure the contents of the finances folder so that unauthorized users cannot view its content. This is warranted. So in this lab, your task is to encrypt the finances folder and all its content, then give John access to the encrypted files. Okay, let's start. So, as it loads, I want you to take your time to subscribe, like, and comment in this video because we take time to make sure you get the best. So in this lab task, as you've been told, we are going to encrypt the finances folder because you share this computer with other users at work. So I want you to open the D drive. So how do you do that? From the Windows taskbar, you're going to select File Explorer. So from the Windows folder, okay, so what you need to do is get to Windows taskbar, then select File Explorer. Okay, so let's do it. Yes, here we go. So once we have that, maximize for better viewing, I want us to go to select the PC from the left pane. Then from the right pane, we double click on data D. So we're going to select this PC. Then we have data D, so we're going to double click on it. So once we double click on it, we have the finances folder, right? Okay, what do? We are going to right click on the finances, then select properties. So we have our finances here, right click, then select properties. So once you have our properties up, what you're going to do, you're going to select advanced. Then, so here, where is advanced? We have clicked on finances property, so click advanced. Then we're going to say encrypts content to secure data because that's what we're doing. Then click OK. Yeah. Then we're going to select OK to confirm the attribute changes. Yes. Great. So what do we need to do next? We need to give John access, authorization to modify the encrypted file. So what do we do again? We double click on finances, right? So once you have been able to do that, we are going to right click on 2023 report.xls. 2023 report.xls because that's the file we want to give him John authorization. Then properties. So once we have done that, I want us to select advanced, then go to details. So we are going to select advanced, then we'll go to details. So once we are here, we are going to select add, then we're going to select John. Okay, so we are going to select add, then you're going to select John, then say okay, then okay, and then we are able to apply the changes. So once you have selected John, then we select OK as many times as we can so that we close that prompt. So with that, we are comfortable to score our lab and get our highest score, which is 100%. So remember to click subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you.